Imagine a time when America was lit by candlelight. Streets were silent after sundown, factories closed early, and the dream of industrial power was still a flicker in the dark. But in that silence, one man saw something no one else did. A future fueled by a black, sticky liquid buried deep beneath the earth. His name was John D. Rockefeller, and what he did next would change the destiny of America forever. In the mid-1800s, oil was chaos. Small-time drillers fought over land, prices crashed overnight, and nobody had a plan. It was a gold rush without rules. But Rockefeller saw order in the madness. While others scrambled for barrels, he built a system. He created Standard Oil, an empire that refined, transported, and sold oil with military precision. Every drop of oil that powered America eventually passed through his hands. Rockefeller didn't just make money, he built a machine. He bought out competitors, struck secret deals with railroads, and refined oil so cheaply that others couldn't keep up. By the 1880s, Standard Oil controlled over 90% of America's oil industry. His fortune was beyond imagination, making him the richest man in U.S. history. But this wasn't just about wealth. His empire powered factories, fueled trains, and lit millions of American homes. Oil became the blood of modern civilization, and Rockefeller was the heart that pumped it. Yet power on that scale breeds enemies. Newspapers branded him a tyrant. Politicians called him dangerous. The public began to see him as a man who could control not just oil, but the entire country. And in 1911, after years of investigations, the U.S. government struck back. The Supreme Court declared Standard Oil a monopoly and ordered it to be broken apart. But here's the twist. Even in defeat, Rockefeller won. The pieces of his empire became giants of their own. Exxon, Chevron, Mobil, companies that still dominate the energy world today. The breakup only made him richer, turning his fortune into one of the largest personal wealths in history. John D. Rockefeller didn't just sell oil. He built the foundation of modern America, from energy to industry, from Wall Street to Washington. His story isn't just about money or power. It's about vision. One man, one resource, one idea that transformed an entire nation. So the next time you fill your car, turn on a light, or see a city glowing at night, remember, it all began with a man who saw gold in the darkness. Subscribe for more untold stories where money, power, and history collide.